Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with just 2 quick checks. Be signed in as an administrator and close any apps that might lock drives. Once done, right-click the Start button and choose Disk Management to launch the system utility that lists physical drives. You're doing this so you can map disk numbers to physical hardware and identify capacity and partition layout. Make sure to note disk numbers like Disk 0 or Disk 1 and their reported sizes. That guides the next steps when locating your SSD. Now focus on how to confirm which entry is your SSD. Scan Disk Management for the drive with the expected capacity and partition layout. SSDs often appear as fixed data disks with no removable flag. Once you see a candidate, note its disk number and right-click to view properties if available. If the name is generic, open Device Manager, expand disk drives, and compare the model's string to what you expect. This step gives the vendor/model so you can be certain. Finish by verifying the SSD is usable. If it's unallocated, right-click and initialize or create a volume and assign a drive letter so Windows can access it. If you don't see the SSD at all, reboot into BIOS or UEFI to confirm the controller detects it. Make sure SATA/NVMe settings and cables are correct, and update storage drivers in Device Manager. A quick CLI check with WMIC disk drive, get model, serial number, size can confirm the OS level present.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.